Shit, got that bike done. We out here riding, guys. We be cruising and shit. Got the Sunday Supermoto. Hey. We be cruising, guys. We be getting it. That's right. We might get rained on, just saying. I got hit on the way to pick up my boy. It was kind of wet. So hopefully we don't get drenched, but yeah, we getting soaked, boys. Oh, downpouring. I mean, it's just kind of like, it's raining, as you can see. But it's not like super bad. So let me try to clean off the lens here, guys. Well, guys, we're back at it again. We're all dried off now. We're back on the bikes. We're cruising. Trying to catch some of this nice weather here. Took a little break. Ate some food. Back out on the road. The bikes are a little spotty. I helped Jack wipe off his bike with some spray wax that I got that I use for my bike. And I did his tank and his front fender and a little bit of the rear tire there, but it turned out pretty good. We didn't do all the small stuff, but it's all right. We got most of it anyway. It still looks good. So his bike's looking pretty fancy.